am standing under an umbrella.
What, honey?
The rain has gone.
We talked about it raining again.
But it went, and then as soon as it went, came back out and I stoked my fire. And now I'm standing under an umbrella. I don't know if you can see it. There it goes. It's starting to rain again, and it's really starting to piss me off because it's Saturday night. I've got a Modelo Especial 24-ounce can waiting for me in my cooler.
Wow, dude, that was cool.
Wow, did you see that shit? That was intense.
All it does here is rain.
You hear that shit? That's God telling me to put my bottle of booze away and go with my ass inside.
It's hot and it rains.
Hot and muggy. Yeah, you're right, buddy. They got every single freaking window boarded up in that place. Man, when it's 85 degrees outside, it's 110 inside. And that's on the first floor. You go to like the third floor in that place where there ain't no wind or air at all, and it'd be easy 120 degrees up there. You just sweating your balls off, man.
It's like working at Pecan Cheese.
I'm just glad that I'm working on the first floor and I got a fan to blow some hot air on me. Told this guy Gerald I work with the other day, I said, man, tomorrow I'm gonna bring in mine. Told him I'm going to bring in some duct tape and some ice packs tomorrow, and he looked at me like that was funny. I told him, hey, that's called redneck air conditioning. I'm going to duct tape them ice packs to the back of the fan, and I'm going to turn that son of a bitch on. We're going to be cool. Ooh, that fire's really going. Of course.
You don't have nothing to sit on.
See them raindrops? Yeah, we ain't got nothing to sit on. We left our damn chairs out in the rain. We were stupid. We just kind of got up and left everything and ran for the garage.
Well, I'm sure there's something in the
Stood there like a bunch of idiots watching our chairs get all wet. We saved the alcohol, though.
Yeah. Hi.
Is the friend sleeping?
No, not yet. I don't know. Maybe she is.
I can't tell with the camera, but yeah, she is. I don't know, she looked at me. So here we are standing under an umbrella now.
Getting soaked.
And yeah, we're a bunch of retarded rednecks. We do anything for a fire, even if it means standing in the middle of a storm.
Yep.
So we don't care.
Under a metal umbrella.
Yeah, under a metal umbrella, no less.
By a metal grill and a metal dog dish.
No, not only a metal grill, a metal propane grill. Yeah.
That's fall-ish.
Oh, did you see that shit? Where is it? Wait for it. Where's that thunder? I can hear that thunder. Here it comes. I can hear it.
Yeah, you're heavy.
Take her inside. That fire is going good now.
These are curls.
Hi, Thrin. Say hi.
You say hi? Nope. Okay, you're gonna have to walk so we don't fall for the garage. Come on.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ooh, that's a big one. Anyhow, that's a real nice fire, and it's really warm, and I'm still standing under this daggum umbrella, next to this table, and yeah, would you believe it? Found a bottle of Wild Irish Rose White. Found it at a local gas station about 3 blocks from where I live. They keep them in a cooler behind the counter, or where I live. About 3 blocks from where I work. Yeah. This is some really good shit. Tastes a hell of a lot better than the red stuff. You don't wake up with such a damn hangover either. I got myself a big old 24-ounce Modelo Especial. Pound down if I get done with that, so come on. Here comes. Ooh. Hear that shit? Let me step out of here. Oh, you can't see nothing up in the trees. I don't really need to stand under the umbrella anymore, though. But there's that umbrella I was standing under. There's bar. Turn on some music. I got some Tom T. Hall. Go to track 15, I think. I like beer.
In some of my songs, I have casually mentioned the fact that I like to drink beer.
I like beer, and I'm not queer.
More to the point, roll out the barrel and lend me your ear.
I like beer. It makes me a jolly good fellow. I like beer. It helps me unwind, and sometimes it makes me feel mellow. Whiskey's too rough and champagne costs too much. Vodka puts my mouth in gear. It'll refrain to help you explain. I like beer. There's my fire, and that was me. And I like beer, and this is our neighborhood. And yeah, Amanda's right. It rains like 24/7 down here because it's too damn warm to snow. So all it does is rain. I've been here since March, and I think it's rained like every freaking day, some way, shape, or form. So I think I'm about out of time. So I'm gonna stop this jibber jabbering. And the video we made earlier was just a trial test run type of thing. Hopefully next time we can find ourselves in a better situation and not get rained out, and me and Amanda can make a video for you. The both of us together, and maybe we can get B or Lucy in it along with Catherine. And I don't know, maybe you can see all of us for a change. So anyhow, I'm going to say ta-ta and farewell, and keep in touch and be cool, and the best of luck to your dad. I'm really pulling for him, man. Let me know how he does. Anyhow, raindrops are starting to get bigger, and I'm starting to get wetter, so I'm going to go hide under this umbrella and put my camera away. So, later, buddy. Keep in touch.